everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Dia. Welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. So today I'm going to be doing a weekend reset kind of. Normally we'll have a little bit more of a focused weekend reset, but my husband is at a wedding today, so it's already 2:40 in the afternoon. I've gotten a lot done already, but I still have a lot I want to do. I was just waiting for my husband to head out of the apartment because I don't like talking on the camera in front of him. But we did a lot of work together this morning, so I'm just going to look at my to-do list. If you're curious, this is my planner right here. It is a Wonderland222 B6 weekly planner, and this is new to me. I've been planning in the Hobonichi Cousin for the past few years, but just about a month ago, I started to try this planner out and I absolutely love it. It's working for me. The daily pages were just a little bit too much for me in the Hobonichi, and in this planner, there's a bunch of pages at the end of the book, not enough to have one page per year, which is perfectly fine with me. I just break it up into 4 quadrants and then use one of the little spaces per day. It's almost always enough, and if I need more, I can always use one of the other squares. One of the things that I've been using along with this is an online app called Sunsama, and I really love using that, especially now that I don't have large daily pages. Most of my planning for my business is done in Sunsama now because my husband and I can keep our schedules together in there and both know what each other's doing and have the things we're working on together in there. So now this is kind of more just my personal planner and also my to-do list, which has a lot of the things that I just do around the house and not my husband. Let's go ahead and take a look at my list and what I have to do today. Since it's already past 2:30, I do have some of the things already done on my list. And the first thing that I needed to do was make a business card for our new business. Not necessarily our new business. We are photographers and we've mainly shot weddings and families for the past 10 to 12 years, but we're starting to expand in schools and sports. So we had to create a new website and everything. And today we had to create a new business card. So we did that and ordered those. Then we had to create some of our prices for our sports packaging and upload them to the website where we sell our packages and stuff. So we already got that done too. Some household things I needed to do were wash the bedding and wash all of the towels. I purchased a Cuisinart bread maker from Amazon the other day and I got it last night and I've been dying to open it, but I thought I would do it with you guys on camera. So I have that right here. My Cuisinart needs to be opened and I need to make some bread, hopefully. I need to edit my last vlog still, which is a drawer organization vlog. I need to schedule my workouts with my trainer for next week, but I already did that already. I want to organize the kitchen cabinets so that I can fit my Cuisinart into the cabinet. I have my juicer, my toaster, my Cuisinart, and I think there's one other thing that I don't like to keep out on my kitchen counter. So I want to make sure I make space for them in one of my cabinets, but I need to do a little bit of rearranging first. And then I have an Amazon return that I have to drop off. There is nothing for me here to eat. We need to go grocery shopping tomorrow, so I'll probably run across the street to the supermarket and grab myself something for dinner. And then the last thing that I needed to do was enter our car tags into the calendar when their due dates are. I swear, both of my kids just got their DMV forms for their registration. We live in California. They're young. They don't really pay attention to when their car tags expire. And they both live in Arizona right now because they're going to college there. So their bill for their car tags comes here. And I swear I did not get either of their bills until they were late. We didn't get it like a few months before it was due like we normally do so that we could prepare and remember we had to pay them. Both of them we just got, and both of them had like $100 late fee. It's insane. I kind of feel like they're doing it on purpose. I know we should know when our car tags are due, but it's my kids' cars and I wasn't thinking about it. But now I am going to put all the due dates of our car tags in the calendar a month ahead of time so we never have to pay these stupid late fees again. I was gonna sit and edit my vlog, but I think I really want to open up this bread maker because if I can make some bread and have some warm bread ready for my husband tonight when he comes home, that would be awesome. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and open this up with you guys, arrange the cabinets, and make a place for it to go. So let's do that. Okay, here's the Cuisinart bread maker. I'm gonna open it up. I can't wait. I love fresh bread. So I talked to my mom who has a bread maker and she said she loves hers, and so I got one. Let me see. Oh. Yay. It's so cute. It's not too huge, but I'm not gonna leave it out on my counter still. It is a compact automatic bread maker. It has 12 options, 3 crust shades, 13-hour delay. I think this is the little paddle. This is the little bread loaf that it makes. Oh, okay. I went ahead and rinsed this out because it had a little bit of that like chemical smell to it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just make a French bread loaf because it has the least ingredients. It's right here. I'm just gonna do one of theirs and see how it comes out. So let me try that. Okay, I have to put this in there. That was easy. Let me move this over and plug it in. Okay, and then I think once this gets started cooking, I'll go ahead and start cleaning out my cabinet and making space for it. I kind of wanted to see how big it was, and it's actually perfect tiny size, so I think it'll fit perfectly in there. Okay, so let me put this together now. 2.5. Put this back in here. French is number 2. Select desired crust, color, and loaf size. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this mess now and then start emptying the cabinet. I'm gonna try and move this without disrupting it. Okay guys, so not only are you gonna hear my washing machine going, you're gonna hear the bread maker too. So this is the cabinet that I need to work on. We used to have a lot of space in here for the kids' snacks, but since they are not here anymore, we've just been kind of throwing things in here and it's not very organized. And then up here, can you see? Like, it's a mess in here. But, oh, rice cooker, that's the other thing that I have. So I wanna move the rice cooker and the toaster down to the bottom with my bread machine. Oh, and I forgot I have a crock pot too. So if that fits in there too, that'll be awesome. But I'm gonna just move some of this stuff around and see how I can organize it without buying anything new, because I don't feel like buying anything new right now. So let's do this. I don't even know where to start. Hey guys, just a quick update. I went on like a major cleaning spree in my kitchen and I was all over the place. I haven't been in one place. I've been in my pantry, I've been in my cabinets, I've been everywhere. So still working in there. Ended up taking some stuff out of my cabinets up there, and I'll show you guys when I'm finished. Hey guys, okay, so I kind of went off on a tangent there and ended up cleaning this whole section and all of my seasonings and stuff because I realized one, a lot of stuff was expired, but the reason I checked on it was because I felt like I had too much, and I do home chef, so I'm not really cooking as many meals from scratch on my own, and I had like a bunch of white wine vinegar and all those things that I buy for one recipe and then never use again, so most of them were expired. I got rid of them all, but let me show you my cabinets. I ended up doing the top and bottom cabinets, and let me try to show you this way. So here's the top shelf, and I had more of these containers in it with rice and stuff, but I ended up putting them up top. So in here I just kind of have our snack bin that has my granola bars, tortillas, and a few other things. We don't really keep too many snacks on hand. And then I have our bread right here, which will soon be fresh bread. And these are the things that I use kind of on a daily basis. One of them is my creamer, chia seeds, hemp hearts, PB2, my protein shake powder, and then in the back are some oats. So I use those a lot, so I keep them here. On the second shelf is going to be all of our Tupperware. So some of this is still in the dishwasher right now, So I'm just gonna stack them all on top of each other like that and put their lids over in this section. Over here, I just have some like small sauce ones and snack ones that I rarely use, so they're just kind of in the back. And then down on this bottom shelf is where all of my extra little appliances will be that I don't like to keep out on my counter. And in this little spot here, hopefully my bread maker will fit. And then in this upper cabinet, it's kind of like our medicine cabinet, but I cleaned it out. And I took some of the Lazy Susans from my spice cabinet, since I don't have as many spices anymore, and used them in here. Okay, so I have all of my vitamins and stuff right here in front, and in the back is all of like our suntan lotions. And then on this side is just all of our different medicines, and then like a heating pad and just Band-Aids and stuff like that. On the second shelf, I have a ton of almond milk because I accidentally bought more when we had just bought a pack. And then we have some extra water bottles, bowls, and all of our hydro flasks, and a lunch box. And then on the top shelf, we just have some cups that we very rarely ever get. So this is the top cabinet. And here's one more look at the bottom cabinet. Then I came over here into my kitchen and started to organize all of this stuff. So I just got rid of a ton of stuff that was on that top shelf in the Lazy Susan. And then on the bottom shelf, we just have a few of the things that we use. And I kept one of the Lazy Susans over here. And then over here is where we have the spices that we still use. And on this second shelf, I went ahead and put all of like my rices and stuff that used to be in the tall cabinet. And then up top is all my baking stuff that I very rarely touch. So that's the little tour of my kitchen now. I did not mean to do that much organizing, but I couldn't help it. So I'm just gonna take a look at my to-do list again and see what I have and haven't done. So bedding is completely done. Towels are still drying. I'm making bread. Haven't edited my vlog. I organized the kitchen cabinets. That's about it. This took longer than I thought. Okay, I think I'm gonna probably go ahead and take my dogs for a walk and then run to go do my Amazon return and grab myself something for dinner. And then maybe I'll sit down and edit while I'm doing that. And my bread is still cooking and it looks good. Okay, I need to go walk the dogs and then go get some dinner. Okay guys, I'm back. I ran to go do my return at Amazon. Check. And I'm very lucky because they actually closed at 5 and I got there at like 5:27 because one, I didn't realize that they closed earlier, and two, my daughter FaceTimed me because she got a couple of new tattoos. She got one on her sternum, one on her rib cage, and then she got mine and my husband's birth years on the back of her elbows. So she wanted to show me her tattoos and it made me run a little late. So luckily the lady at the UPS store here is so nice. She opened the door and let me do my return anyway. And then I ran into Vaughn's, and this is so bad. I got these. These are like a childhood thing for me and I couldn't help it. I got one. They're so bad for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up and then I'm gonna edit my vlog that will have already been posted. And this bread smells so good. It says that there's an hour and 43 minutes left on it. It smells good in here. So I'm gonna heat this up and then sit down and do some work and check in with you guys to see how far I got on today's to-do list. So I think I may have done something wrong with my bread. Can you tell? Because it was all fluffy after the first time and it still has an hour to cook, but now it's kind of like not rising and it's sticking to the side, and I don't think it's gonna raise back up in an hour. I'll let you guys know. I think I might have just thrown the ingredients in there too fast. I don't know. If it doesn't come out, I'm still gonna taste it because it smells delicious, but probably have to make another batch tomorrow. Okay, I just finished eating my dinner and I'm gonna go start editing my video now. Hey guys, okay, I'm so sad. I seem to have killed my first bread. It does not look good. Oh, this is so sad. It looks like a flat pancake. I don't know what happened because when I first had it in here, oh shoot, how do I do this? So anyway, when it first did its rising, it looked really good. It rose really high and it looked like it was gonna be round and floofy. And then it did the mixing again. And then it seems to have gone downhill after that. I don't know if it's how I measured. I might not have taken all the packaging off of this. I thought I could smell something burning. I think I left the foam ring inside the bottom. It doesn't look like it ruined anything, but I didn't even see that down there. It's so horrible. That's what I get for being distracted. Okay, it comes out really easily. This isn't pretty. Let me let you guys see. Okay, I don't know how to get, look at it. It's so heavy and dense. This is French bread, by the way. Oh my Lord. Okay, wait. I'm trying to get there. Oh, that's not too bad. So that didn't leave like a horrible hole or anything. You guys, I'm gonna cut this because I want to taste it still. I don't know which way to cut it though. Okay. Oh, okay, hold on. Yeah, I don't know about that. So it's like, it's really, really wet and dense. This is a French bread. I'm not sure what I'm gonna try to make tomorrow, whether I'm gonna try to make another French bread or the white bread. I'm just gonna cut a piece off the outside. I have some fresh butter here and I'm gonna taste it because it smells good. That was a lot of butter. It actually tastes really, really good. The outside's like really, really hard and crunchy, but I'm actually enjoying it. It's really good. So I can't wait to try to make one that is cooked properly and raises properly tomorrow. I'll try again tomorrow. I'm editing, actually I just finished editing my last vlog, so I'm exporting it right now. I'm gonna clean up this stuff and then probably just do some reading. I haven't been doing reading in a while, and reading for fun. I have to finish a Colleen Hoover book that I've been reading forever now. Let me show it to you, hold on. So I've been reading this book for over a month now. I stopped reading for about 2 weeks and I wanna finish it because I wanna move on and read something else. I love Colleen Hoover, but I think I'm just getting a little burnt out on her books and kind of want to try something new. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. It doesn't have to be a romance novel. I think I really enjoy suspense. So I loved The Silent Patient. I loved her books Verity and Layla. I don't know, there were a few others too. So if you guys have any recommendations, leave them below. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, do some reading, and my husband's not gonna get home till really late. So I will start recording again tomorrow and show you guys how we prepare for our day. I really wanna show you Sunsama and how I've been using it too. So talk to you guys later, good night.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece